Hello friends, welcome again. In this video, we'll be talking about some questions on annihilation of the caste. These questions will be multiple choice questions. There are 20 questions in all. I request you to take a notebook and note down your answers to see the score at the end of it. You can write your score in the comment box if you want. So let's get started. Question number 1. How can Hindu social order be changed according to Dr. Ambedkar? The options are A. By giving political freedom, B. By giving money to the poor people, C. By destroying castes, and D. All of the above. I hope you have noted your answer, and the right answer to this question is option C, by destroying castes. Question number 2. Which is the real key to destroying caste according to Dr. Ambedkar? The options are destroying subcastes, option B, destroying religion, option C, rejecting shastras, and option D, accepting shastras. The right answer is C, by rejecting shastras. Question number 3. What does Dr. Ambedkar say about inter-dining? The options are A. It has brought a great change in the society. B. It is an inadequate remedy. C. Eating together causes infection. And D. None of the above. The right answer to this question is option B. It is an inadequate remedy. Question number 4. What would abolition of subcastes do according to Dr. Ambedkar? The options are A. It would lead to the abolition of castes. B. It would strengthen the castes and make them more powerful and mischievous. C. It would weaken the caste system. And D. It would be helpful in the elections. The right answer to this question is it would strengthen the castes and make them more powerful and mischievous. What does Dr. Ambedkar say about intermarriages? The options are A. It would not help in abolishing castes. B. It is the real remedy in abolition of castes. C. Intermarriages are bad. And D. Intermarriages would contaminate the purity of humanity. The right answer is option B. Intermarriages is the real remedy in abolition of castes. Question number 6. Which of the following names are not mentioned in this text? Option A. Gautam Buddha. Option B. Guru Nanak. Option C. Mahatma Gandhi. And option D. Vardhaman Mahavir. The right answer to this question is option D. Vardhaman Mahavir. There is no mention of Vardhaman Mahavir in the section 20 of Annihilation of Caste. Question number 7. Which of the following is not written by Dr. Ambedkar? Option A, Annihilation of Caste. Option B, Riddles in Hinduism. Option C, Buddha and his Dhamma. And option D, Train to Pakistan. The right answer to this question is option D, Train to Pakistan. Train to Pakistan is not written by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Question number 8. Which of the following are written by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar? Option A, Problem of Rupee, its origin and solution. Option B, Thoughts on Pakistan. Option C, Who were the Shudras? And option D, all the above. The right answer to this question is option D, all the above. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar has written The Problem of Rupee, Thoughts on Pakistan, and Who were the Shudras? Why did not people intermarry according to Dr. Ambedkar? The options are A, they wanted pure blood. B, they hated one another. C, they were inhuman and wrong-headed. And D, they were. The right answer to this question is option D, they were deeply religious. Question number 10. What does shastras teach according to Dr. Ambedkar? The options are A, humanity and good conduct. B, religion of castes. C, democracy. And D, philosophy. The right answer to this question is option B, religion of castes. Question number 11. Who is known as architect of Indian Constitution? The options are A, Mahatma Gandhi. B, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. C, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And option D, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. The right answer to this question is option D, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was the chairman of Drafting Committee of Indian Constitution. Therefore, he is also known as architect of Indian Constitution. What reformers working for the removal of untouchability do not seem to realize according to Dr. Ambedkar? Option A, the acts of people are merely the result of the belief inculcated by the shastras. Option B, people will not change their conduct unless they cease to believe in the sanctity of the shastras. Option C, both A and B. And option D, neither A nor B. The right answer to this question is option C, both A and B are correct. Question number 13. What is like forced feeding brought about by artificial means according to Dr. Ambedkar? Option A, believing in shastras. B, to agitate for and to organize inter-caste dinners and inter-caste marriages. Option C, telling people to give up religion. And option D, considering untouchability as an evil. The right answer to this question is option B, to agitate for and to organize inter-caste dinners and inter-caste marriages. Question number 14. When would people interdine and intermarry without anybody telling them to do so according to Dr. Ambedkar? Option A, when their minds are cleansed of the pernicious notions founded on shastras. Option B, when they realize that British are bad people. Option C, when other people tell them to do so. And option D, when Mahatma Gandhi announces it. The right answer to this question is option A, when their minds are cleansed of the pernicious notions founded on shastras. What does Dr. Ambedkar ask reformers to do? Option A, discard the shastras. Option B, deny the authority of the shastras. C, tell the Hindus what is wrong with them is their religion. And option D, all the above. The right answer to this question is option D, all the above. Question number 16. What stand should reformers take according to Dr. Ambedkar? The options are A, the stand taken by Gandhi. Option B, stand taken by Buddha and Guru Nanak. Option C, stand taken by Pandit Nehru. And option D, stand taken by Ravindranath Tagore. The right answer to this question is option B, stand taken by Gautam Buddha and Guru Nanak. Question number 17. What, according to Dr. Ambedkar, would happen if things are built on the foundations of the caste? The options are A, it will uplift the poor. B, it will crack. C, it will help in establishing order. And D, it will make the nation strong. The right answer to this question is option B, it will crack. Anything built on the foundations of caste will crack according to Dr. Ambedkar. Question number 18. When was Dr. Ambedkar born? Option A, 14th April 1891. Option B, 14th April 1920. Option C, 14th April 1880. And option D, 14th April 1900. The right answer to this question is option A, 14th April 1891. Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891. Question number 19. Which of the following statements is not true about Dr. Ambedkar? The options are A, he was a born Dalit. B, he was the chairman of drafting committee of Indian Constitution. Option C, he believed in the classification of society based on the caste. And option D, he died on 6th December 1956. And question number 20. What is the meaning of the word annihilation? The options are A, adding. B, multiplying. C, describing. And D, wiping out completely or destroying. The right answer is option D, wiping out completely or destroying. That is, I request you to write your scores in the comment box, and those who have not subscribed for the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get the notification of the next video as soon as it is uploaded. Thank you very much.